Veed versus Loom. Let's get started. So first we have is Veed. Veed is an online video editing platform designed for creators making social videos, YouTube shorts, and auto caption content. Loom, on the other hand, is a video messaging and screen recording tool made for team communication, demos, and asynchronous presentations. Now let's talk about their pros and cons. So for Veed, it offers auto captions, translations, and dynamic text animations. It's also perfect for TikTok, Reels, and short form content. There's no install needed and there's no installations, works entirely in browser. It also has a template, transitions, overlays, and audio tools. And lastly, it is mobile friendly, social ready export presets. The only downside is it's not built for screen recording or internal team messaging. Now for Loom, Loom offers instant screen recording with webcam overlay. It's great for tutorials, product walkthroughs, or team updates. It also has a real-time viewer engagement, automatic transcript and video hosting, and it offers a tight Slack, Notion, and Google integration. The only downside is it has very limited editing tools. You can only do like basic trim and then some cutouts. There's no templates, transitions, or caption styling, and it's not made for social media or marketing content. So use Veed if you want a powerful yet simple online video editor, and then use Loom if you need a quick tool to record and share videos internally for work.